What's up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. Recently, I visited the Vivo store in SM North EDSA, and to my surprise, they already have the Vivo V30 on sale. I was told that the stocks for this phone arrived earlier than expected because the launch date of this phone will be on March 21st. However, the Pro version is nowhere to be seen on that store. So I was told that it will be priced at 35,000 pesos for the Pro model, and the Pro model has been co-engineered by Zeiss. So basically, you'll get better photo and video quality on that model, but it's gonna cost more than the non-Pro device. Now, they were told that they can start selling this phone, and this non-Pro model will cost 24,999 pesos with a free Bluetooth speaker. Additionally, I was told that if you buy this on the launch date, you get an extra perk, which is the VIP card that will give you a free replacement of the screen if you accidentally damage it within 6 months. So, if you happen to watch this video before buying it, I recommend holding it off until March 21st. Now, let's talk about the key specifications of this model. So this model has a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, 12GB RAM, and a 256GB storage, with Android 14, FunTouch OS 14 right out of the box. So the camera specs includes a 50 megapixels wide camera. The second one is another 50 megapixels ultra wide camera, and a 2 megapixels camera, although it's regional dependent. But in the Philippines, it will only have the 250 megapixels camera at the back. And at the front, we have the 50 megapixels wide camera with dual LED flash. The battery is 5000 mAh with 80 watt fast charging. It is IP54 dust and splash resistant with a non-expandable card slot and an in-display optical fingerprint sensor. Using ProShot, you have the option to take photos in RAW format. Video recording can take 40K 30 FPS, the same as the front-facing camera. Video stabilization is also present, which is a must-have feature in this kind of price range. It has 2 times optical zoom, and if you go further, then it will be processed as digital zoom. I tried taking bokeh effect photos, but the environment was not ideal. The body of the phone is made of plastic frame, and at the back is made of glass with a ceramic design. On paper, the V30 packs with 24-bit by 192 kHz high-resolution audio. Hence, this is not LDAC level of audio quality, but people who loves music would definitely appreciate the sound reproduction. We have a 2800 by 1080 resolution AMOLED HDR10 Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate. I tried watching videos, and so far, I cannot complain except for the unnecessary HDR10 Plus feature for a small screen. For the camera ring at the back, the light color is adjustable from bright to a warmer color tone. Sadly, we won't be able to review this phone as it's beyond our budget at the moment. If you are planning to buy a new phone and you're within the budget, I would recommend to check this phone out. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. You have a good day.